Hi everyone, it's Anna from Night and Day Window Decor. We're here at our Mount Pleasant location, and I just wanted to show you how to take down or reinstall a honeycomb shade. This will apply to a few more products, but let's just kind of focus on Duette Honeycomb. So whether it's just a single fabric shade, or this dual light shade, ultra glide wand, or cordless one that we have here, headrails are all the same, hence the brackets, which you'll see here. I think it's easiest to show you how the brackets sort of fit when I have the shade off. That's the bracket. So it's this little front groove of the headrail that needs to catch on to the front lip of the bracket. And then when it's in the window, this actually just kind of, you push the headrail up because it will end up snapping into place. And you'll hear that click. So what's important to happen in the end is to have the back of the bracket there sort of clip to the back of the headrail, and the front lip sitting right under that groove. So imagine this is your window, and the top of your window, obviously the brackets are there. You may need 2 or 3. Yes, it gets harder with more. You may need another pair of hands help. But you want to bring the headrail up to the brackets, and then you're focusing on tilting it this way so it just catches that front lip of the bracket, and then you push back and up until you hear a click. Kind of need to hear 2 clicks, and that's it. Putting the shade back on, we're gonna tilt it a little bit this way just so we can catch the front. So it's already kind of caught, but it's not secure. And then you wanna push up and back. Just really strongly push up and back. And now the shade is secure into the brackets. That little piece of the bracket is securely there. And now to take it off, you need a flathead screwdriver or butter knife. And you begin by just pushing that away from the bracket to release it. And another one. And that's it.